CEO skills that you need to get to 10 million a year. Number one is value.
Wait, we are not here to become a CEO. We want to make money, not really a business. We're gonna do it in 3 steps, starting from step 3. And since beginners don't have product, they should start productless. For that, we go to Google and search Digistore24. We want to sign up as a free affiliate. Then we go to affiliate marketplace, filter with language and software product. Software product can help you become a CEO as you grow. Focus on product with lowest refund rate, highest commission, and highest net earnings per se. This one doesn't look like a good one because of high refund. So after finding a suitable one, collect your free affiliate link. Now in step number 2, use AI, Google, and YouTube to learn about this software. Then make simple and short videos just like we upload your video on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Send all your visitors to an automated funnel designed and built with AI. This funnel will do the selling for you, and when there is a sale, you will earn affiliate commission. However, this $18, $25, $37, $40, $50 commission will not make you a lot of. That's why, yes, we promote software, but on the side, we also promote high ticket offers. Our 99% done for you automated funnel does our selling, and when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. Keep making that, and it will be easy for you to become a CEO. If you want to learn about our 99% done for you system, comment 99.